Alright, this is Exotic 5-box letter break. I'm going to click it 6 times. In this break, you want your player name, the player's name on the card, the first letter of their name, you're going to want that to match your letter. If it's a dual or triple, we randomize the first letter from each person's name. Fair enough? Scotty Shaw on top. Scott Shaw down to Brad Bra. 6 times. Right there. Scott, you'll be looking for all the signers that start with G. Down to Brad, you'll be looking for all the signers that start with L. 6 times. I'll call out if you hit. Okay. First one is Jason Dominguez, the J spot. Jason Dominguez, the J is Hugo, like a boss. I forgot if I had something for Hugo over here. I don't think so, though. Not yet. You might be in some random team break, though. Hugo, that one's yours. Box 2. Oh, it's magic. I think that's turtle shell. Either that or peacock or hummingbird. I don't know. What skin print is that? Magic Johnson. That one's 2 of 3. Oh, yours was 6 of 8, Hugo. This one was 2 of 3. Magic Johnson. M is Swaggy. That was yours. Next. Number 3 is A-Hole. We got the A-Hole Snakeskin, Aiden Hutchinson. That one is Aaron, got the A spot. Aaron, you're in the A-Hole. 7 of 10. Aaron C. You got 2 more chances, my friends. Box 4. It's Irvin Johnson. I'm protesting this break. Technically it is. Although the card says magic. If it would have said Irvin Johnson, we would have had to give it to the E and not the M. Here's Butterfly, Luka Modric, L spot. Brad Bra, Luka Modric. That one is 2 of 4. Brad, you're on the board. Brad always said he gonna get a hit. And the last one. Last chance coming. Will yield. Andres Iniesta. Dang, 2 A's. Aaron got the last 2 spots. One of them happened to be the A spot. 5 of 9. What are the chances of that? The A-Hole doubles. Thanks, everybody.